Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do this Amazon review on the curling wand that I promised you I would do. It is the Bestope curling wand. I got it off of Amazon. I will link this at the bottom so that you can get it. It comes with about 5 or 6 pieces and a glove. Kick back and listen to some music while I learn how to use this. Um, it was hard, but I got it together.
So it is the end of the night, and I did not finish the whole get ready with me and all that on the vlog. I was running late and I had to do what I had to do. But as you can see, I didn't do too bad on my makeup. And I will insert some pictures so you can see the full fit. I picked out the pink outfit out of the Fashion Nova haul, and I got nothing but compliments, and I'm loving the makeup. This is the first time that I have worn these long lashes. I always be afraid of like them looking bad on me, but I actually like them. Will I wear these every single day just because? No, but I definitely like the way I look. Anyway, so the wand curls were a success. I did burn myself. I don't see it on my forehead yet, but I definitely burnt myself with the wand. It was hard at first trying to learn how to do the wand curls, but it is what it is, honey. So now I am going to take all this makeup off, and I'm going to take myself to bed, honey. To bed. I'm tired. I'm going to use makeup wipes, and then I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face and call it a night. And that is it. I know a lot, if I don't know nothing else, is I cannot go to sleep with all this on my face. It will be all over my sheets. But I appreciate y'all for standing by and watching your girl pull it together. And I might just do this makeup thing a little more often. Because I got compliments after compliments on my makeup. My makeup was amazing, even though I don't know how to put makeup on. And what I have learned, you just slap it all on and hope for the best. Slap it all on and hope for the best, honey. It came out good. Alright, y'all. So until next time, peace, love, and soul. Not really. Like, share, subscribe. And your girl is out. Miss TL.